Hello, my dear friends. Our friendly pups, Binga and Rolly, brought to me. They are calling us to visit for new adventures. I don't know what's in store for us, but I'm very curious. This is not standard puzzle, and I'm very interesting. Oh, friends, it is puzzle, not standard size. Look, it is peach puzzles, bingo, and rolly. Wow, very interesting. Okay, this head, bingo. No, rolly. Maybe this did. No, it's not right. Okay, this head for Rolly. Yeah, look, friends, it is right plates. Oh yeah. Okay, this head, bingo. Wait, plates for you. Maybe this? Oh, no. It is not right. Okay, this. Not? It's not right? Oh, okay. And I think so. This plates for you had bingo. Yeah, look, friends, it is right. Cool. Okay, these peach puzzles. Where is place for you? Maybe this? Not, it's not right. Maybe this? No. I think so this. Yeah. Wow, friends, it is very easy. Cool, I like it. And these peach puzzles, where is place for you? I think so. These peach puzzles for bingo. Yeah, look, friends, it is very perfect. Oh, okay, these two peach puzzles for Rolly. Okay, these peach puzzles. No, I think so. Yes, it is right, variants. Yes, cool. And these peach puzzles, these.
Breathe in. Breathe out. How do you feel now?
You know, I feel like...
Yeah, totally like...
That's great.
I feel like cool, friends. Very interesting. Thank you, Bingo and Rolly, for your interesting adventures and not standard puzzle. Please, friends, like this video and subscribe, and see you soon. Bye.